Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered how scientists can determine the complete structure of a molecule without breaking it apart? The answer is nuclear magnetic resonance, or simply NMR. In this video, we'll understand what NMR is, why it works, and why it has become one of the most powerful analytical techniques in chemistry, pharmaceuticals, biochemistry, and medical research. Let's begin with the word nuclear. At the center of every atom is a nucleus. Some nuclei, such as hydrogen-1, carbon-13, fluorine-19, and phosphorus-31, possess a property called nuclear spin. Although the term spin sounds like a tiny ball rotating, it is actually a quantum mechanical property, not a literal spinning motion. Because these nuclei have spin, they also possess a magnetic moment, meaning they behave like tiny bar magnets. Now imagine placing billions of these tiny magnets inside a very strong external magnetic field. Without the magnetic field, the nuclei are randomly oriented. However, once the magnetic field is applied, the nuclei align into different energy states. For a spin 1/2 nucleus, there are two possible states: a low-energy state aligned with the magnetic field, a high-energy state aligned against the magnetic field. Most nuclei naturally occupy the lower energy state because it is more stable. Now comes the most exciting part. If we apply a radiofrequency pulse with exactly the right frequency, the nuclei absorb energy and transition from the low-energy state to the high-energy state. This phenomenon is called resonance, and it gives nuclear magnetic resonance its name. When the radiofrequency pulse is switched off, the excited nuclei gradually return to their original state. During this relaxation process, they emit a tiny electromagnetic signal. This signal is detected by the NMR instrument. A computer then processes the signal using a mathematical technique called the Fourier transform, converting it into an NMR spectrum. This spectrum provides valuable information about the molecular structure, the chemical environment of atoms, and how atoms are connected within the molecule. That is why NMR is widely used in organic chemistry, pharmaceutical research, drug discovery, biochemistry, material, science, food, analysis, medical research. In this video, we introduced the basic principle of NMR. In the next episode, we will explore nuclear spin, magnetic moment, and understand why only certain nuclei are NMR active. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications